In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a minimalist Shopify website. If you're thinking about creating a sleek, clean, and modern online store, then you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your Shopify account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your main dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this is where you'll be managing all aspects of your online store. Now, you'll want to navigate to the top right corner of your screen and click on the My Store button. This will take you to the section where you can start creating your very own Shopify store. Once you're in the My Store section, you'll see an option to Create Store. Go ahead and click on that. Here, you have the choice to either set up a simple store or choose a theme that suits your brand's aesthetic. For a minimalist look, opt for a theme that emphasizes simplicity and functionality, with plenty of white space and clean lines. Shopify offers a variety of themes, both free and paid, that can help you achieve that minimalist feel. It's important to note that creating a minimalist Shopify store does require a paid subscription. While Shopify does offer a free trial, the subscription will unlock all the features and customization options you need to fully realize your minimalist design vision. Investing in a Shopify plan ensures you have access to everything, from professional themes to essential e-commerce tools that will help your store succeed. As you move forward with your design, keep in mind that less is more. Focus on using a limited color palette, perhaps sticking to neutral tones or a couple of accent colors that align with your brand. This approach helps in creating a cohesive and uncluttered look. When adding images and content, ensure they are high quality and serve a purpose, enhancing the overall user experience without overwhelming the visitor. Remember, the goal of a minimalist design is to provide a seamless shopping experience where products and content are easy to find and navigate. Don't forget to test your website across different devices to make sure it looks just as good on mobile as it does on a desktop. This is crucial, as a significant portion of online shopping is done on mobile devices. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to launching a beautifully minimalist Shopify store. Take your time in the design process, experiment with different elements, and always keep your brand's core message in mind. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.